2020 has been all about adapting. Authors are also adapting to the pandemic by having Zoom book launches and virtual book tours. In a one-of-a-kind event, Veena Rao's debut novel, Purple Lotus, was launched at the iconic Indian-American landmark Global Mall on October 24th, Saturday. An interesting fact, Global Mall and its popular food court features in Veena's book as the Indian Mall. The launch was supposed to happen at the sprawling car park at the mall that can easily house hundreds of cars. But the rain gods decided to add a bit of drama in the evening. It started to pour exactly at 5 p.m., the scheduled start time. Heavy rain with the flash flood warnings meant the launch had to be hurried move inside the hallway of the mall, which still allowed enough space for social distancing. But what shone through the evening was the outpour of support from the Atlanta community for a local author's debut effort. It was an outpour of love that the downpour from the skies only amplified. Friends took up the challenge to drive in near zero visibility on the interstates to get to the mall. They waited patiently in line to meet the author, who was visibly overjoyed to see each guest. Support came in other forms even before the event. Local entrepreneur Shiv Agrawal, who owns the Global Mall, graciously sponsored the use of the mall premises for the book launch. Narendra Patel, owner of Madras Chettinad, sponsored the event with over 100 individually packed boxes of tasty Indian snacks and hot chai that he personally delivered to the venue. Rani Sharma of Rani's Boutique took care of the table decoration. Friends and family of the author volunteered throughout the evening. The evening included fun contests and giveaways hosted by NRI Pulse news video producer and anchor Namita Dogra Sudan.
It's an easy one. So Cyrus, one of the main characters, is a fan of a classical Indian musician and a particular musical instrument. If you can name the musician and the instrument.
Giveaway winners won Purple Lotus themed charm bracelets from Big Bangles Theory and Glitterazi Jewels, and custom-made Purple Lotus masks. Purple Lotus is a story of Tara, a young immigrant from India who moves to Atlanta 3 years after her arranged marriage to Sanjay, a tech executive. Lonely, neglected, and caught in an abusive, loveless marriage, Tara must fight her own fears and discover her own worth in order to wrest control of her life. How does Tara overcome pressure from her family to make peace with her circumstances and the challenges of charting a new life in Atlanta? Read Purple Lotus to find out. Purple Lotus has been getting glowing reviews and a strong early start since its release last month. Newsweek magazine calls Purple Lotus an ode to the value of personal dignity and the importance of being true to oneself that carries on long after the final chapter. If you haven't ordered Purple Lotus, please do so at your local bookstore or on Amazon. If you'd like to invite Veena to speak to small groups of friends, please contact her through her website veenaspulse.com. As you know, she loves connecting with the community.
This has been a wonderful evening and I want to thank everyone who turned out today. Despite the torrential rain, it's horrible outside. Despite that, so many of my community friends turned up. I think Tara, the protagonist of Purple Lotus, she had her sisterhood, and I'm blessed to have a wonderful community of supportive people. It takes a lot of effort to get a book out in the hands of people who will value it, and so I feel extremely happy that this event went well, and I hope friends who turned up will spread the word and post on social media and generally make sure that this story reaches the hands of people who need to read it. Thank you.
female Chetan Bhagat for us. No, she's better. Oh, she's better.
We honor you, we respect you, you know that, and it meant a lot to me, and we are very proud of you.
Started to write the book, I had no story, just a blank page. So I put myself, my 6-year-old self, on a train because that was a journey my family actually made in 1975. Don't just exist, live, and take control of your life as much as is possible.